Hi, my name is Jason. I'm at InfoComm 2024, and my company is AG Neovo. I'd like to introduce to you our latest interactive displays, the Meetboard 4. These are now Google EDLA displays, which means with Google EDLA, we now have access to all the Google apps, directly on the board. We also have easy access to the Google Play Store. So it's a lot more convenient to use. One of our proprietary apps that we have is the Meet Cloud. This is a virtual video conferencing and whiteboarding tool, and this allows us to easily invite friends, colleagues, other students to share on this whiteboard. So if I want to make a quick video call, I hit the video icon right here, and I hit call, and I can have up to 8 people on the call. And I have my colleague Kelvin here, and Kelvin's going to bring up a document that we're both working on. And I have some questions. Now Kelvin can hear me, of course, through the video call. And I say, Kelvin, can you tell me more about Fremont? Can you write some notes here? So he tells me, puts in some notes, or gives me a new screen, puts in some notes, and that's how we can interact. Most of the standard whiteboard features are here, such as pens, changing the colors, erasers, adding sticky notes, and other objects. So that's it. I hope you like this, and the company website address is www.agneovo.com.